Hello everyone, in this tutorial you will learn how to make a magic circle in crochet. Hello everybody, let's get started on this magic circle. So, the materials you will need are a crochet hook. I'm using a 4.5mm crochet hook, and some scrap yarn, any type of yarn. So, grab your yarn and put it in between those two fingers, and then wrap it around your middle finger and connect it to your pointer finger. And then there's another way to do it, which is just wrapping it around one time in your middle finger. So then you insert your crochet hook in between that loop, and then yarn over, pull through the loop, and chain one. Then in my tutorials I show and tell you how many single crochets or double crochets you do inside the magic circle, but here I made 3. 2, 3. Okay, great. And then take your crochet hook out and pull this loose thread. Pull it tight. And that's the first way to make the magic circle. The second one is by the same method, just putting it 2 times, wrapping it 2 times around your middle finger. Now put your crochet hook in the 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the 2, and chain one. Okay, and then again you can do whatever my tutorial tells you. I'm doing here 3 single crochets. My tutorial might be different. Everything is different. Okay, take your crochet hook out, and here you can notice you have 2 loops. So you're gonna pull the loose thread, pull it, and you're gonna see a loop shrinking, which is this one. This one you're gonna pull it, the shrinking loop, you're gonna pull it tight, and it's gonna close up, but not completely. So you're gonna pull the loose thread, pull it tight, there. And that's your second way to make your magic circle. It's very simple and will be used in many amigurumis. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and have a great day.